You would be shocked to discover how dirty carpets can get, especially if you have pets. For a truly clean home, you either need to have your carpets professionally cleaned or take the easier route with a proper carpet cleaner. These devices are not too expensive either. You just have to know what to look for and you'll be all set. Things like precision nozzles are a must to keep your stuff safe, but you might also want to consider extra pet-related features. Anyhow, we'll dive in a second. Just make sure to use our links because they'll take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Here goes! Number 5. Shark EX301. Excellent value. When seeking a carpet cleaner that delivers value, few can match the Shark CarpetXpert EX301. This machine sets itself apart by offering advanced cleaning performance at a price that makes sense for most households. The CarpetXpert technology, the hot new feature on the block. That is what lies at the very core of the EX301 model, and it delivers the goods in style. It pairs a high-speed brush roll with power spray. The brush roll agitates dirt trapped deep within carpet fibers, while the high-pressure spray breaks up grime. This eliminates the need for multiple passes, and we love it. With these combined, users get cleaning power that rivals high-end models but without an intimidating price tag. For pet owners, this machine feels like something designed with your struggles in mind. Odors lingering after accidents or spills are knocked out completely. Beyond handling pet challenges, it also excels at removing everyday messes like dirt from high-traffic areas or food spills that seem impossible to eliminate. Even some of the pricier models often require extra steps or products to neutralize odors. Another highlight is its suction power. Unlike many cleaners that oversaturate the carpet, the EX301 extracts water efficiently, leaving carpets drier in record time. Faster dry times mean less hassle, so you can walk on your carpets without waiting half a day. Its performance in this area measures up well against pricier machines that promise similar results but don't always deliver. The compact design adds further value because you can move it with minimal effort. Traditional carpet cleaners tend to feel bulky, so tasks feel harder than they need to be. With Shark's lightweight build, portability isn't sacrificed for power, which can really mean a lot over time or on those days when you're just not in top cleaning form. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 4. Hoover ONEPWR SmartWash Cordless. Best cordless model. Now let's talk about this model from Hoover. It just steps in with its top-tier cordless design. Without a cord to restrict movement, you can easily clean every section of your home. This is ideal for homes where mobility plays a significant role in choosing a cleaner. The machine is driven by a rechargeable ONEPWR battery. The standard corded models, well, they limit reach in most cases. Or they require constant switches between outlets. Where other cleaners might leave users dealing with tangled power cords, this Hoover offers a streamlined experience. Compared to average cleaners in its category, the SmartWash Cordless offers more versatility in navigating different spaces. The machine also excels in the cleaning department with its SmartWash technology. This feature simplifies operation by eliminating unnecessary triggers or buttons. Push forward to clean and pull back to dry. That's all. The Heat Force technology speeds up drying time, which means carpets are ready to use far more quickly than with traditional models. Hoover's innovation cuts down wait times significantly. We also have to talk about the TrueMax technology. A larger tank means fewer pauses to refill or empty, so you can get through big tasks with minimal interruptions. This is especially useful when you deal with larger spaces, or simply if your place gets messy more frequently. The Spot Boost mode delivers targeted cleaning power for those stubborn stains. The dry-only mode, on the other hand, works well for giving carpets a refresh when they don't need a full wash. Adding to its practicality, an LED display provides clear prompts, so it's simple to operate, even for those unfamiliar with carpet cleaners. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Number 3. Bissell HydroSteam Pet. Top option for pet owners. It's not easy to have a clean carpet in a home with pets. Challenges come in every form and it feels like a full-time job. The Bissell HydroSteam Pet is the one you want if that hits too close to home. It tackles the most stubborn, stuck-on messes with its innovative HydroSteam technology, which is specifically designed to lift and remove dirt, sticky stains, and pet messes. This feature sets it apart from typical carpet cleaners that may struggle to break down deeply embedded grime. One feature pet households will appreciate is the steam pre-treat mode. It softens tough messes before the full cleaning cycle. This handles issues like dried-up food spills with ease. This feature feels built for real-life situations pet owners face every day. Tools like the 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool and the 6-inch tough stain tool make it versatile enough to handle both furniture and stairs, targeting areas that many standard cleaners might leave untouched. We also have to talk about the SteamWatch Max Clean mode because of how it boosts the machine's effectiveness on embedded dirt. For homes with shedding pets, this mode means a deeper clean. Average carpet cleaners mainly focus on the surface level, so this is a meaningful upgrade. Its quick dry mode reduces carpet drying time to just 30 minutes, making it a breath of fresh air compared to traditional cleaners that can take hours. Beyond its excellent cleaning performance, the HydroSteam Pet keeps practicality in mind. The tank is large enough to handle bigger jobs without constant refill stops. Good stuff overall, we like it. Number 2. Tineco Carpet One Cruiser. Latest tech available. The Carpet One Cruiser from Tineco is our high-tech pick for today. The standout feature here, Tineco's iLoop Smart Sensor, adjusts suction and water based on dirt detection. This intelligent approach avoids waste and focuses attention where deeper cleaning is needed. Traditional carpet cleaners with manual settings lag behind so much. The iLoop sensor here handles adjustments automatically, delivering a customized experience for light messes or heavier stains. Smooth Power technology assists motion to lower the amount of force needed to operate. That is a new high-tech feature that elevates convenience. Combined with its repositioned water tank, this feature makes the device feel lighter even when tackling piles of thick carpet. For households tired of pushing heavy cleaners, Smooth Power offers a relief that feels unmatched in comparison to many other models. Power Dry technology uses 167° Fahrenheit heat to reduce drying time substantially. Standard carpet cleaners often leave carpets damp for extended periods. That can cause delays in daily routines or risk those unpleasant smells nobody wants around. Well, this system allows users to finish cleaning large spaces without hours of waiting, which is ideal for anyone juggling tasks. Beyond cleaning, upkeep becomes straightforward with Flash Dry self-cleaning system. A single press runs a cycle that cleans the brush, suction areas, and cover, while heated air dries the components to avoid odor or mold. Also included in the package are deep clean tools, which include a stain remover for tight spots. The 130-watt suction power competes impressively against industry averages, so you get a robust performance for carpeted rooms. Many cleaners claim high power but lack the added intelligence found here, which makes the Carpet One Cruiser feel superior. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Number 1. Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro. Best overall. Dealing with dirt, pet hair, and tough stains on carpets shouldn't feel like an uphill battle. That's why a machine built to handle it all with ease really stands out. The Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro delivers a cleaning experience that feels truly above and beyond what most carpet cleaners offer. Its CarpetXpert technology combines a high-speed brush roll with a power spray system, blasting grime out of deep carpet fibers. This dynamic approach provides a level of thoroughness that typical cleaners struggle to match. Unlike standard models that may leave damp carpets behind, this cleaner speeds up the drying process significantly, allowing rooms to return to use much faster. For busy homes, quick drying really makes an impact. When it comes to stains, few cleaners can match what Stain Striker technology achieves. It instantly mixes two specialized agents and combines them with powerful oxy action to tackle messes that other machines might ignore. From coffee spills to mud tracked by pets, these marks don't stand a chance. For pet owners, the HairPro technology is a revelation. It deals with embedded pet hair effortlessly, pulling it directly into a built-in hair cage housed in the water tank. This feature eliminates headaches caused by tangles and clogs, unlike standard cleaners that often fail when faced with heavy pet hair. Added odor neutralization leaves no trace of smells from pet accidents or other odors, delivering a fresh result you can count on. Reliability also takes center stage with this model. It keeps hair and debris from jamming or wrapping around the roller. The engineering here is really thoughtful. We love it. The versatility of this cleaner is another reason it stands out. A handheld spot cleaner extends your reach to stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach corners. The selection of tools included addresses various household challenges, making this model ready for almost anything. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid!